Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the app and signing in. Do that now. Once installed, open it and enter your credentials. If you need an account, create one in a minute. Make sure to enable biometrics or two-factor authentication so you avoid repeated password entry and keep your repository safe. This initial step reduces friction for every action afterward. After signing in, tap Repositories to see your list and pick a repo to start working on right away. You'll edit and commit on the go. Open the file, tap Edit, and make focus changes using the mobile keyboard. Once done, create a branch. This isolates your work and prevents accidental changes to main. Name the branch clearly so reviewers understand purpose. Then write a concise commit message explaining what you changed and why. Good messages speed reviews. Finally, tap Commit or Commit to this branch so your snapshot is stored remotely and ready for a pull request. You finish by creating a pull request. Choose your branch, add reviewers, and explain the why of your change in the description. Once reviewers comment, address feedback by editing files, committing to the same branch, and your PR updates automatically. Merge when approvals are complete or use merge options provided. If you hit sync problems, pull the latest from main and resolve merge conflicts in the app or switch to desktop. Troubleshooting tip: if merges fail, fetch remote, rebase or merge locally, then push again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.